Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I'm Muhammad Idris bin Musa from Kolej Komuniti Hulu Langat, Selangor. Today I would like to present the research entitled Human Health as a Driver Factor of the Green Initiative, the Insight from Higher Education in Malaysia. I'm pleased to introduce my research team members, Puan Zahratul Laili binti Idris, Cik Muhammad Firdaus bin Cik Sab, and Dr. Nozianis binti Razali. My presentation will divide to introduction, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. For introduction, nowadays globalization increasing the growing economic and world population. The globalization contribute to pollution and climate change. Currently, the COVID-19 epidemic is affecting Malaysian higher education institution too. One of the efforts to prevent spread of infection the COVID-19 among stakeholders in higher education through green practice. Human health is the driving factor of implementation green initiative that output social sustainability from higher education perspective. This current research purposely explore the driving factor during the implementation of training practice that impact social sustainability in higher education. For literature review, Green Initiative acts as a key enabler to achieve the triple bottom line dimension, social, environmental, economic, that contributes to sustainable performance of the organization. However, according to Haldori 2022, the success of Green Initiative requires coordination from all levels, such as from the employees to top management. Therefore, in our research, we have identified the driving factor of Green Initiative, which may contribute to social sustainability. For social sustainability can be defined as managing both positive and negative effects of organization, processes, system, and activities on individual and social interaction. Social sustainability is a positive outcome of green practice, such as improved corporate image, according to Lee 2019. Thus, Green Initiative as a managing the positive effect of organization, process, system, and activities to achieve social sustainability. In addition, according to Asadi 2020, the outcome from the implementation of Green Initiative are positively related to triple bottom line dimension of sustainability performance, including economic, environmental, and social. For methodology, these studies using a qualitative approach by using multiple case study methods. This research focuses on the context of social sustainability through practice of green initiative in Malaysian higher education. Theoretical sampling is done by identifying the higher education institution which were characterized by the service provider, and 7 higher education institution preference agreed to participate. To obtain specific situation, we agreed to take advantage of the opportunity to collect information from green coordinator who practice green initiative in their institution. For data sampling, in each sample case, in-depth interview were conducted by 7 green coordinators as an informant of various departments across institutions of higher education in Malaysia. Next, for data analysis, to investigate green initiative in a single sense, This study used thematic analysis. Essentially, data were analyzed with a within-case analysis. The quality of the definition of each case is created by within-case analysis by collecting all relevant sustainability-related reasons for the Green Initiative. For data collection, in each sample case, in-depth interviews were conducted with 7 Green coordinators as informed of various departments across institutions of higher education in Malaysia. For the case, C1 is from Department of Mechanical, C2 Department of Visual Design, C3 Department of General Studies, C4 Department of Tourism and Hospitality, C5 Department of Mathematics, Science and Computer, C6 Department of Information Technologies and Communication, and C7 Department of Electrical. For result and discussion, informants were asked to provide perspectual information on the main driver factor of Green Initiative. The coding of field data indicate that the view of Green coordinator in institution of higher education as the driving factor of green practice. A detailed study of the in-depth interview with the informant was carried out, summarized in Table 2, to explain the driver factor of implementing green initiative that culminated in common theme. These themes were reached after eliminating repetitive responses and grouping the responses that related to the same concept. Human health as a driving factor for implementing green initiative towards social sustainability. Human health is defined not only by the individual physical condition, but rather as a state of complete physical, psychological, and social well-being. Human health in the current study is a result of implementing green initiative on human health, such as environmental freshness, happy verbs, and reducing depression and anxiety. The green initiative that implementation in higher education impact social sustainability, such as green garden and 3R. In regard, 7 out of 7 case informant reported that human health was a driving factor for implementing green initiative. For C1 addressed that green initiatives such as a small garden are to provide fresh air. This is also one of the pride for us. C1 is from Green Coordinator of Department Mechanical. This statement is supported by C2 stating that the purpose of green garden is to make space more aesthetically pleasing and functionality useful for the environment, such as a boost our mood and feeling. C2 is from Green Coordinator of Department Visual Design. This statement is also supported by C5 by sharing that by having a garden at my department, it can also help reduce carbon emission. It can improve social functioning for depression and anxiety. C5 from Green Coordinator of Department Mathematics, Science and Computer. As conclusion, this study provides several implications for policymakers and educators in higher education to adjusting policies and strategies for a green initiative. The green initiative is dedicated to delivering professional insight and tailored solutions to help higher education institutions achieve their sustainability goal. Consequently, they could adjust their higher education policies and strategies to motivate employees and students to implement the green initiative. That's all. Thank you very much.